Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Turtle Fountain is probably one of the most enchanting additions you can make to your garden or patio, bringing a sense of tranquility and natural beauty with its gentle, soothing water sounds and captivating design, making it a focal point that draws the eye and calms the spirit, perfect for creating a peaceful outdoor sanctuary where you can relax and unwind. Number 5. Yzert Solar Fountain for Bird Bath. Introducing the Yzert Solar Fountain, a beautiful and eco-friendly addition to your outdoor space. It's designed to bring life and charm to your bird bath or garden without any batteries. Crafted with a premium full white glass panel, this solar fountain offers superior light conversion and is incredibly easy to maintain. Its smooth surface ensures it stays looking great with minimal effort. Worry-free operation is guaranteed with its anti-clogging technology that automatically stops the unit if blocked. Plus, the anti-drift design with fixed rods keeps it perfectly in place, preventing water from spraying out. Unleash your creativity with 7 interchangeable nozzles, allowing you to personalize the water spray to your liking. Add a dynamic and fun element to your garden or bird bath. This fountain is entirely solar-powered, meaning no batteries or external power sources are needed. Simply place it in direct sunlight and enjoy its beautiful water display anywhere outdoors. Everything you need is included: the solar fountain, multiple nozzles, fixed rods, and filter sponges. It's ready to enhance your pond, pool, or garden the moment you set it up. What we like? This solar fountain boasts a high-conversion glass panel for better efficiency and easier cleaning. It also features a blocking protection system to prevent dry running and an anti-drift design with fixed rods to keep it in place. If you are looking for a durable and stable solar fountain that is easy to maintain and won't drift away, this is a great choice for your bird bath or garden. What people say. The turtle fountain has a very realistic design, with intricate details on the shell and body that make it look like a real turtle. The water flow is adjustable, allowing you to control the sound and intensity of the water, which is great for creating a relaxing atmosphere. It's made of durable resin material that can withstand outdoor conditions, making it suitable for gardens and patios. Number 4. Glenville Water Pump Cascading Fountain. Introducing the Glenville Cascading Fountain, a beautiful addition to any outdoor space. Crafted from durable polyresin and fiberglass, it's built to last. This elegant fountain comes with a powerful water pump, ensuring a continuous and soothing water flow. It's ready to set up and enjoy right out of the box. With a water capacity of 1.71 gallons, you'll spend less time refilling and more time relaxing. The pump circulates water efficiently, creating a tranquil ambience. Measuring 14.6 inches long by 14.6 inches wide and 30.3 inches high, it's perfectly sized for various settings. The 75-inch power cord offers flexible placement options. Despite its sturdy construction, this fountain weighs only 17.6 pounds, making it easy to move and position. Enjoy the serene sound of cascading water anywhere you desire. What we like? This cascading water fountain is made from durable polyresin and fiberglass and includes a water pump. With a water capacity of 1.71 gallons and a 75-inch line cord, it offers a good balance of features for its size. If you are looking for a self-contained, decorative water feature that is easy to set up and adds a soothing ambience to your patio or garden, this would be a suitable option. What people say. The turtle fountain is a beautiful addition to my garden, with intricate details on the turtles and a soothing water sound. Easy to set up and operate, the fountain has a durable resin construction that looks like real stone and withstands outdoor elements. The LED light feature adds a lovely ambience in the evening, making the water sparkle and enhancing the overall aesthetic. Number 3. Yzert Solar Fountain Flower Shape. Introducing our solar-powered fountain, designed with a beautiful flower shape to seamlessly blend into your garden's natural beauty. Birds will adore this charming addition. Experience stable and efficient solar energy conversion with its high-quality glass panel. It ensures better water spraying compared to plastic alternatives and is more durable. Enjoy dynamic water displays with spray heights ranging from 12 to 20 inches, directly influenced by sunlight intensity. This feature adds a captivating element to your outdoor space. Keep your fountain running smoothly with the integrated clog prevention system. It includes filter sponges to effectively remove impurities, ensuring uninterrupted operation. Designed for stability, it comes with 4 fixed rods to keep it centered in bird baths, reducing water spillage and maintaining its aesthetic appeal. It works best in a 20-inch bird bath. Customize your water feature with 7 interchangeable spray nozzles, offering various patterns. You can also operate it without nozzles for a different effect, adapting to sunlight conditions. This versatile fountain is perfect for bird baths, ponds, gardens, and more. Simply place it in a sunny spot and enjoy a soothing and decorative water feature. What we like. This solar fountain features a unique flower shape and a high conversion glass panel, making it blend beautifully with your garden. It offers 7 different water styles to customize your water feature and includes a blocking protection system for continuous operation. If you want a visually appealing and customizable solar fountain that mimics natural flower shapes and provides varied water displays, this is an excellent pick for your outdoor space. What people say. The turtle fountain is a beautiful addition to my garden, with intricate details on the turtles that make it look very realistic. The water flow is adjustable, allowing me to control the sound and intensity of the fountain, which is perfect for creating a relaxing ambience. It's made of durable resin that has held up well against the elements, showing no signs of fading or cracking after several months outdoors. Number 2. Turtle Dove's Journey, a story of migration. Embark on an incredible adventure following the remarkable migration of the turtle dove. Witness the challenges and triumphs of this epic journey. See how these amazing birds navigate vast distances, relying on instinct and environmental cues. Their aerial prowess is truly awe-inspiring. Discover the perils they face, from predators to unpredictable weather. Their resilience in the face of adversity is a testament to nature's strength. This migration is more than just a journey, it's a vital part of their life cycle. Experience the continuation of a species against all odds. Follow them as they make their way back, completing a cycle that has repeated for generations. Their return signifies hope and endurance. This is a captivating narrative of survival, instinct, and the enduring spirit of nature. It's a story that will leave you breathless. What we like. This product is a story about migration, focusing on the journey of the turtle dove. It offers an engaging narrative that can be both educational and heartwarming. If you are looking for a book that tells a compelling story about nature, animal behavior, and the challenges of migration, this would be a wonderful addition to your reading list. What people say. The turtle fountain has a charming design that adds a whimsical touch to the garden. It's easy to set up and the water flow is adjustable, allowing for a customized sound experience. The durable resin construction ensures it can withstand outdoor elements. Number 1. Little Tikes Fish and Splash Water Table. Introducing the Little Tikes Fish and Splash Water Table, a fun and durable water play experience. It's designed for hours of engaging entertainment for your little ones. Your child can easily catch, collect, and count the adorable fish before releasing them with a satisfying splash. This interactive feature makes playtime exciting and educational. Fill the special fishbowl until it tips over, creating a delightful wave that splashes down. It's a simple yet captivating way to add more excitement to the water play. Use the included launcher to send critters flying onto the spinning lily pad in the center. Watch them spin and twirl for added amusement. This complete set comes with everything needed for aquatic adventures. It includes a fishing pole, 5 floating critters, a water cup, and a fishing net. Built with Little Tikes' signature durability, this water table offers endless fun. The fishing game and counting play provide a great way to keep kids entertained. What we like. This water table offers a fun and interactive fishing game with counting play, allowing kids to catch, collect, and release fish. It features a unique mechanism where filling the fishbowl causes a splash wave. If you are looking for an engaging water toy for children that promotes fine motor skills, counting, and imaginative play, this water table is a fantastic choice for backyard fun. What people say. The turtle fountain has a charming design that adds a whimsical touch to the garden. It's easy to set up and the water flow is adjustable, allowing for a customized soothing sound. The durable resin construction ensures it can withstand outdoor elements. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.